Hello friends, welcome to Best English Classes. This is Dr. Prateek and today we are having an interview with an IELTS aspirant Bhavya. So let's ask her a question and see how she responds. Describe a popular person that you are interested in, who this person is, how you know about this person, what type of life that person had before he or she became popular, how this person became popular, explain why you like this person.
Okay, so I know many famous persons in my life, and I have met one of them. But the one I want to talk about is Daljit Dosanjh. He is a famous Punjabi singer as well as an actor. He has a great melodious voice, and also I love all of his songs and all of his movies, and he is very famous like among girls basically because of his humorous nature. He's such a jolly person. I love to listen his songs, and also the videos he made on Instagram was quite funny. So yes, it was about a couple of months back when I listened to one of his song that was "Do You Know." It was very old song, but I listened on that day when I was scrolling just Instagram, and I saw all of his videos. That yes, he is the person that I admired a lot. So I get to know more about him as I searched on the Wikipedia that he has done a lot of work in his past. He struggled a lot for this life. He has nothing when he was young, and then he struggled and launched many music videos. So yes, he is the singer that I admired a lot, and he did a lots of struggle, and he's such a he's such a ground to earth person.
So you spoke very well. There were some grammatical mistakes, but overall it was